Mix turmeric with Vicks VapoRub and what happens next will completely surprise you. Once you see the result, you'll never stop using it. It's one of those old forgotten remedies that actually work, passed down quietly from generation to generation. Let's start with the first one. Grab a clean bowl and add 1 heaping tablespoon of Vicks VapoRub. That cooling scent alone already feels refreshing, but this is just the beginning. Now comes the secret ingredient, turmeric. Add 1 full teaspoon of ground turmeric right into the bowl. At first, the combination might seem strange, but once mixed, these two create something truly special. Comment below with your city. Let's see where everyone's watching from. Using a spoon, blend the ingredients slowly until they turn into a creamy, golden paste. The consistency should be smooth, thick, and fragrant, almost like a balm. Now, how do we use it? Here's the trick most people don't know. Instead of applying it directly where you think it's needed, take a small amount and spread it on the soles of your feet, especially the heels. Surprising, right? That's the key. When you apply it there, the mixture works more effectively while you rest. After massaging it in, cover your feet with plastic wrap, then put on a pair of socks. Leave it overnight, and by morning, you'll wake up feeling lighter and refreshed. That's the first version. But now let's move to something even more powerful. Comment yes if you're going to try this at home. For the second recipe, grab another bowl and add 2 full tablespoons of turmeric powder. Its golden color isn't just beautiful, it's the heart of what makes this so effective. Next, add 1 tablespoon of Vicks VapoRub, followed by 2 tablespoons of olive oil or coconut oil. Either works, so use whichever you prefer or have at home. Now start stirring everything together until you form a silky golden paste. To make it even better, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. This gives the mixture the perfect texture, not too thick, not too runny, and helps it stay in place once applied. Once it's ready, it's time to use it. Apply a generous layer of this golden blend to the area you want to target. Knees, shoulders, back, or elbows. Anywhere that feels tense or tired. Massage it gently in small circular motions, allowing the mixture to fully absorb. Then, just as before, wrap it with plastic wrap to keep the warmth in. Let it rest for a few hours or overnight for deeper results. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. Save this video so you don't forget the steps, and let me know in the comments where you're watching from. I love hearing your results. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more easy, powerful home recipes that truly make a difference. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another secret that might just change your routine forever.